Hello, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Thank you for watching. Good morning. Got my skillet heating up, and I'm going to add some bacon grease. I am not going to church this morning. I'm going to watch online. I'm definitely not 100% yet. I got that fuzzy-headed feeling, so this will probably be a shorter video. I am going to go to Mom's because I don't have to think when I go to Mom's. I just sit there and visit, and I'll let her do all the talking. Sorry if you're watching, Mom. I just let her do all the talking whenever I don't feel good. So it'll work out well. I won't have to think. I'll just nod my head. But anyway, it's Mom, you know. I got to go see her. So, and I don't have to dress up and be fancy to go see Mom. So I'm going to heat up my skillet and I'll be back. While the skillet's heating up, I've got some bacon that I just broke up. This is the last of that dehydrated bacon that I thought would be a grand idea. I'm going to microwave this for about 45 seconds. Hooey, I put a lid on it and cranked it up and definitely got that bacon grease past the smoking point. Oh well. It'll be good anyway. And this time I remember to get my water, but I did not remember to add it to salt and pepper. I forgot it. Alright. Hang on, here we go. Get my head. I told y'all I got the medicine head going on. The sinus infection. But I definitely feel better. I'm just a little bit flighty. I know. Flighty, how is that anything new, Terry? It's not. All right, pour my water on it. I'll cover it. Since it's really hot, now I'll turn it down halfway, and I'll see you in 2 minutes. Look, you can see it bubbling up in there. It's like it steams and it kind of poaches or steams the yolk of the egg. So that's how that part gets done without having to flip it. Alright, I've already microwaved my bacon. So now, just kind of... I think I might have broken an egg. There's some yolk on my dealie. Hold up. I gotta get Katie. Now I know you sent it to me. I gotta get my pot holder here. I just pour that water right in there with it. I don't know. There we go. Come on, get off there, fella. Get off there, fella. There we go. Now, let me get my fork. I mean a spoon, because we know I don't. And I don't have no tomatoes this morning, so this is what I'm having. So, that right there. Let me turn it. Hang on. Now you can see the yolk right there. So look at that. I'll poke it. Ooh, that's a little more runny, but I'm okay with that. So, there we go. That's a nice little more than over easy egg, but not quite over medium. But that's the Kent Rollins method. I'm telling you, if you like eggs, follow his method. All right, I'm going to clean this up now and then eat. Hey, Ricky Lee, thank you very much for the super thanks. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you for the super thanks. Bye. It's a rainy Sunday. But I always like how dark everything looks. Everything always looks so pretty outside after... Ooh, I'm getting rained on. Everything always looks so pretty outside. I'm not showing my patio because Sammy, he likes to poop on my patio. I haven't figured out why. But anyway, I always think after it rains, things look so pretty and like a deep, rich colored green. So anyway, it's raining here on Sunday, but it sure is pretty. Look at that big old tree. That's a pecan tree, and it drops pecans in my backyard. And so squirrels come back here, and I'll come home, like in the fall, I'll come home. Sorry, I'm showing you poop. I'll come home in the fall, and there'll be little pecan holes all over my back patio. And I had a dog, and Lily was her name, and she would eat the pecans too. Like if she got to them before the squirrels, she would eat the pecans and not leave any for the squirrels. But yep, it's a rainy Sunday, so okay, bye. I'm still going to see Judy today. Hello. I'm in my car waiting for Mom. We are going to eat at our special place. I didn't go to church this morning just because I've got medicine head and just bleh. Anyway, I feel okay. Just got that little loopy medicine head going on. First I forgot why I decided to record, but now I remember. You guys, I'm almost at 3,700 subscribers. That is like ridiculously amazing. I cannot believe that I am almost at 3,700 people. 3,700 people care or interested in what I have to say. My gosh, they're blowing my mind, y'all. I can't believe it. This has been such a interesting journey, and I'm very thankful for the journey, and I'm thankful for each of you. I really appreciate each of you, and I don't say thank you enough, but thank you all for watching, and thank you for following, and thank you for all the comments, even the bad comments. I crack up. It doesn't matter to me. Everybody's entitled to their opinion. So even when somebody has something not so nice to say, I get a chuckle out of it. I'm just happy that, people are actually paid attention to want to watch it, or even paid enough attention to make a bad comment. Anyway, thank you. I just wanted to say hi, and I just want to say thank you for all the subscribers, and I know you all take time to watch my channel, and I appreciate it. I think it's really cool. I didn't think that people would follow now since I've already met my goal. I figured y'all would have been like, all right, she's done, let's move on to the next one. But anyway, thank you. I really appreciate it. So starting tomorrow, we will do our carnivore journey. I might just get a pork steak today. I'm going to go eat with Mom. And I'm kind of thinking I might just do pork steak. I don't know. We'll see whenever I get in there. Sometimes I get in there and I just totally change my mind. So we'll see. All right, bye. But thank you. So I'm just going to have this pork steak for lunch. I still kind of feel blah, and so this is going to taste really, really good. So this is going to be my lunch along with my water. I want to tell y'all, so I did all that cooking yesterday. Today's Sunday. I did all that cooking yesterday, and I was just at Mom's house, and I just drove back home. It's raining outside, so I'm a mess. Plus, I didn't dry my hair, so I don't care. But anyway, so I walk in my house, and it smells like fried meat. It smells like fried steak and pork steak, and oh my gosh, my house smells so good. I know some of y'all said that you'd rather cook outside so it doesn't stink up the house, but I love that smell because I'm such a foodie. I'm such an addict to food. I'm just like, it smells like bacon and beef and pork and fried food, and it smells so good. Now, people at work will probably wish I didn't live in this house whenever I come to work tomorrow, and my clothes, because my bedroom is right through, let me see if I can get my hand there, right through that door there, hang on, that curtain right there is to my bedroom. So I'm sure that the smell goes through that door into my clothes in my bedroom, and I'm sure my coworkers are like, girl, you come in smelling like meat after I cook all weekend, like when I fry, but I don't care. It smells so good. I just love it. Anyway, so I just got the pork steak today. Part of me was kind of thinking it might be a good way to transition into tomorrow, because really, I haven't had any vegetables today for breakfast or lunch. But also, since I'm still kind of sinusy, I just wanted something warm and comforting. I didn't want a cold salad. I did have one bite of Mom's broccoli, but I just really didn't want I didn't really want anything else. I wasn't hungry, you know. You know when you got that sinus going on and it's draining and in your stomach and you just kind of feel blah. Anyway, so yeah, so I just had the pork steak. And let me show you what my mom sent me home with, because I know a couple of y'all said that my clothes are too loose on cooking day. So hang on, I'm going to show you something. Now, it's a little snuggish. Like, it would be too tight for me to wear comfortably in public. But this is a medium. So there is it's kind of like a financial advisor type company, and it's called Thrivent, and started off for Lutherans, but it's for anybody now. Anyway, and so Mom has an account with them, and so she's got that deal going on this week, so they gave her some free shirts to give out. So I was like, hey, Judith, if you got a couple, let me have a couple. So I said some people were talking about how my shirts are too big in my video. So she gave me 2 mediums. I'm like, all right, large, it fits normal, but this one, by George, nobody can say this is too big for me. So that's a medium. I'm like, I ain't never worn a medium in my life. And I wouldn't wear it out in public, but I will for y'all. Because y'all are family. You know, you wear stuff around family. But I got this one, and hang on, I'll show you the other one. Alright, so this is the other one. It's red. Like I said, it's, you know, it definitely hugs the rolls, but, which I would not feel overly comfortable with out in public. But, like I said, y'all are family. And so around family, you know, you just wear what you want when you're around family. So anyway, hang on, I gotta hoist up the girls. All right. Anyway, so around family, you know. But so I got a couple t-shirts now that'll fit a little bit better for whenever I'm doing my meal preps on the weekend. And Mom is excited. Marianne, she borrowed my apron. She really wants to wear that, and it's cute. She's even planning on how she's gonna point to the different sayings that's on it, and so she's all excited about wearing that to her women's luncheon on Thursday. So, all right, it is, what time is it? It's only 3 o'clock. I just got home from Mom, so I'm gonna chill out a little while, and then I'll eat whatever I'm gonna eat for supper later. And we will have to get our stuff ready. That's all gonna look a little bit different because it's just gonna be me pulling out my breakfast and my lunch, and I won't be making any vegetables. So I'll find other ways to entertain you. Maybe. We'll see. Okay, bye. You know how when you're kind of feeling sickly, you want what you want, but you don't know why you want what you want. You just want to eat it. Well, tonight is a prime example of that. I don't want to finish off my cabbage, so I tossed it. I'm just not in the mood for that. I really don't want much vegetables. I mean, I am going to eat some cucumbers. I do want a little bit of that. And I want a little bit of, this is that guacamole that I bought. I want some of that. Where's my lid? I just kind of have a weird, I don't know. When you're sick, you just want what you want. And I have one of my pork and gravies that I made up, I don't know, last week before. So I know I've got that. If this ain't the biggest hodgepodge you ever did see, I kind of want a little bit of yellow onion. And I kind of want a little bit of red onion. I don't know. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. When you're sick, you just do weird stuff. And I want a little bit of red onion. And then, so I'm putting that, ooh, I'm going to put that in there. I'll put some of that in there. All right. And then I have 2 pieces of bacon that I'm going to microwave. I'll bring it all together in the end. Hang on. So yeah, this weird combination, that's what I'm going to eat tonight. This is my pickled veggies. If you search Terry Lee's pickled veggies, you can see how I make them. I've got a couple different videos. But that's the cucumbers. That's my pork. I think that was pork loin. That's pork loin. And you put onions on anything, it'll make it taste good. You probably put onions on poop and it would taste good. I'm bacon. I mean, come on now. Come on, somebody. Bacon is life, man. And This is that holy avocado. And all it is avocado. Maybe. I can get her open. And so I bought this because I wanted to eat some avocado, but I don't want to... Listen, I'm lazy. I don't have to cut open an avocado and twist it and then cover it up and then hope it doesn't go bad. Ain't nobody got time for that. I just want to fight and pull off a lid and be ready to eat. It's who I am. It's what I am. So now, where? Oh. I'm going to put a little everything bagel seasoning on it. There we go. That's everything bagel seasoning. So now, I can just get a little bit of that with the avocado. All right. And that's my Sunday. That's going to be the end of Sunday. Hang on. Y'all, I just looked and I'm up to 3,755 people. That is just remarkable. Remarkable. I just can't believe it. I thank you all so much. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you all. Okay, I'll see you in the morning. Or y'all see you in the next video. Bye.